Hi everyone, it's MamaBear here, and I want us to have a conversation about speed and destinations. One would say speed is cool, or imoto maishesha. It helps with getting to the destination quicker. Sure. And so because of that, speed is good. Speed is all right. But also speed kills. So I was having a conversation today with a friend of mine, and Utim, the problem with the speed, or wanting to speed things up so that you get to the destination quicker or faster. I-problem yalokho ukuthi ungahle ungafiki kwi-destination uxoxele sewukubandayo because uphelele endleleni ngenxa ye-speed. So kune-potential yokuthi le destination oyijahe kangaka ungafiki kuyona because of ispeed ogijima ngaso. Then waqhubeka wathi also uma kuwukuthi ufikile uzophoseka kuma-potholes ongawabonanga ngoba userashini ukuthi ufike la ujahe khona. And so because of that, awunaso isikhathi esi-right noma esikahle ukuthi ubone ukuthi okay, nayi pothole ngizoyivika kanje. So uzofika kwi-destination, but uzofika unonqaba imkhuzuko ebinga-avoideka ukuba ubuhamba kangcono noma uhamba ngespeed esingekho phezulu kakhulu. Right, sengithi mina iwari yami ngespeed esikhulu kakhulu ukuthi you will not get to enjoy the journey going to your destination. You will only speak about the starting point and the destination. Noma umuntu angakhuluma ngezinto ezenzeka kwi-journey, angeke ukwazi ukuphawula ngazo noma ukukhuluma ngazo because you were in a rush to getting your things. You were in a rush to getting your money, getting your house, getting your. You were in a rush. And the process to getting there, the patience oyifundiswayo in the journey to getting there, ugomelela isibindi ositholayo kwi-journey angeke ukhulume ngaso because wena awukazi ube kwi-journey, awukwazi ukukhuluma ngobumnandi be-journey, awukwazi ukukhuluma ngobuhlungu be-journey, awukwazi ukuphawula ngobunzima ohlangabezana. You can't even say, you can't even comment about ukuhlangana ne-pothole kodwa uyivike noma uhlangane ne-traffic bese kumele ukuthi slow it down, noma ukuhlangana namaphoyisa and ubuye espeedini esikhulu obukusona wehlele ngezansi ukuze angakuvimbi noma ukuvinjwa amaphoyisa. You will not be able to speak about that because you either took shortcuts to make sure that you get to your destination quicker. Now, is speed good? Is Vinini? Is it really, really good? What can you teach the next people, the next generations, your children, whoever, abantu abasemva kwakho, about i-destination okuyo nokuthi ufike kanjani kuyona? Are you going to be able to teach them anything about the journey if you've never walked it, if you've never been into it? Because the only thing you only know is from where you're coming from, straight to your destination, and you didn't get to enjoy and speak about the hardships and the pain and the hurt and the victories of the journey towards your destination. So it's been really good.